Well done. Congratulations. Frederick, you passed your driving test today in Bletchley Test Center. Well done. Okay, Frederick, congratulations once again. You passed your driving test today in Bletchley Test Center. And could you please let me know how was your experience overall in your driving test?
First of all, give thanks to God, Allah, and I thank you too. You did a very good work for me.
Okay.
Yeah, you did a very good job for me. It wasn't easy. I think I saw a couple of mistakes, like two. Yeah, there was one point in the Bletchley when there was an oncoming car, so I was supposed to relax for the car to move.
Yeah, that was a meeting situation. Yes,
meeting situation. So I just managed to move in.
Yeah,
that was the only issue there. And then one also, I was moving close to the parked cars.
Couple of times, yes. That's what she mentioned at the end. Yeah. Yes. So make sure whenever you drive past any vehicle parked on the left side, yes, try to give 1 meter gap if you can. 1 meter gap, the door width, yes, which we already learned. But sometimes it happened in Bletchley, and Bletchley roads are a bit narrow. Yeah. So obviously sometimes you think that if you go a little bit more on the other side, you might end up hitting the curb as well. Now there's enough space on the right, yes. So even if you can't give full 1 meter, yes, you can give like half a meter at least. But in a couple of times she mentioned that you went too close.
It was 2 times.
2 times, yes. Anyway, but now she said now very, very close, but it was not really on a reasonable gap. So make sure focus on that mistake as well. And obviously in your rear driving, you shouldn't make that mistake because somebody opened the door and it can damage your car. Obviously you're going to buy your car very soon anyway. Other than that, like you must have watched my videos as well.
I watched over and over and over again.
Yeah,
I think about 25 to 26 videos.
Yes, that's
even this morning I watched all.
Oh, is it? Very well done, very well done. Yes, so it was a great help in it.
It was very good.
Yes,
very
okay.
Good.
So that's why I upload all these videos on YouTube, and people watch them and they give me feedback. Like appreciation messages on my YouTube, and I really like that. Okay. So any other thing which you want to say about your test for new learners who want to learn and who want to pass the driving test?
I would say those who want to learn, they should contact Virgin.
Okay, that's very good.
I'm 100% sure about that. It will be very easy, flexible, and then they'll pass the test.
Oh, that's good. Thank you very much. Okay, so last piece of advice: make sure for the next couple of years your license is on a probation period. Yes,
2 years.
So 2 years. So don't accumulate any points on your license. And if you have 6 points on your license, you have to do theory test again and the practical. And I don't want you to come back to me, to be honest. I would love to meet you at any stage, anywhere, but not as an instructor and as you as a learner. Okay. So make sure you look after your license. Yeah, and enjoy your life. Thank you very much.
I think
you're welcome. Thank you.